Respected Union Ministers, Shri Narendra Singh Tomarji and Sureshji, central and state officials of concerned departments and railways, party leaders, and my dear farmers. To just give a perspective of where the state stands in horticulture, a brief overview of horticulture in the state would give a total area under cultivation is 17.42 lakh hectares with an estimated production of 312 lakh metric tons. The state ranks first in the country in growing tomato, papaya, cocoa, tomato, and chilies. It stands second in the production of mango, orange, and turmeric. So this is just a perspective of the state, sir. Today, during the COVID times, we've all noticed that since our state is dominant in produce of agricultural produce, we found it extremely difficult in tapping the markets outside Andhra Pradesh because we consume not more than 10-15% at best. The rest of it needs to be exported. And during the COVID times, it was very difficult to export our produce, especially Azadpur Mandi market in Delhi, which actually is the largest fruit market and vegetables market. It was extremely difficult to access. During those days, I personally made a request to Narendra Modi ji, requested him to kindly look into this aspect to help us out. And this is truly a feather in the hat for the central government, especially special thanks to our Prime Minister, Narendra Modi ji on this particular occasion. Today is a memorable day for Andhra Pradesh. I'm happy to flag off along with Tomarji and Sureshji this Kisan Rail, which carries not just 322 metric tons of horticulture produced today, but also the smiles and happiness of our farmers to distant destinations and metro cities. I hope that this Kisan Rail will have a fruitful journey as it chugs out of Anantapur carrying sweet oranges, papaya, melons, banana, mango and tomato, signaling a new ray of hope among the farmers. Andhra Pradesh, sir, to give you once again a small perspective, Andhra Pradesh has emerged as the fruit capital of South India, with a share of 15.6% of fruit production in India. And I hope such initiatives like Kisan Rail will supplement the efforts of our government in taking effective steps to provide remunerative prices to the farmers. And there, in this connection, once again, special thanks to the Honorable Prime Minister and Tomarji, and also, of course, Piyush Goyal ji and Suresh ji also in this effort. As far as the state is concerned, sir, we've done a lot of initiatives, we've taken a lot of initiatives in promoting agriculture in a very big way. The state has been extending every possible help to the farmers who were earlier deprived of even the small benefits like getting the minimum support price and on various occasions had to abandon the crop due to unremunerative prices. We've created a market intervention fund and during the time of COVID, this actually played a very important role in procuring the produce and exporting to the other parts of the state as well, what actually prevailed during the COVID crisis. In fact, so much so that during the COVID times, Andhra Pradesh, along with collaboration with Conquer and Desai Fruits, we've run exclusive trains from Tadipatri, that is Anantapur, to even Mumbai. In fact, 11 trains were dispatched, about 45,000 tons of metric tons of banana, 1,185 tons of vegetables, and close to 8,000 tons of mango pulp, and 1,471 metric tons of fresh mango were exported to various countries through this Mumbai port during the COVID times. And from there, we've been requesting, taking a cue from there, we've been requesting the Honorable Prime Minister to kindly give us a facility which actually takes care of these needs on a regular basis. And thanks to the initiatives that of the Prime Minister, that today we've been blessed with this train. The only request, sir, is, as I think our MP has emphasized some time back, the rates, the fares currently what are being charged by the railways are slightly on the higher side, sir. We would request your kind intervention and bring up more remunerative prices to the farmers in this connection. And I once again have a special thanks to you, sir, and blessing our state with this glorious train. And my special thanks to, please do convey my special thanks to Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji also, and very special thanks to Tomar ji also on this occasion, sir. Thank you.
Request Narendra Singh Tomar ji, Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, Government of India, to please give his valuable message on the occasion.
आज के इस शुभ अवसर पर हम सबके मध्य उपस्थित आंध्र प्रदेश के मुख्यमंत्री श्री जगनमोहन रेड्डी गारू, हमारे रेल मंत्रालय के राज्य मंत्री और मेरे अभिन्न मित्र माननीय श्री सुरेश अंगड़ी जी, कृषि मंत्रालय में हमारे राज्य मंत्री माननीय पुरुषोत्तम रूपाला जी, माननीय कैलाश चौधरी जी, अनंतपुर के सांसद टी रंगैया गारू जी, गजानन मलैया जी, इस अवसर पर कार्यक्रम से जुड़े आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार के अन्य सभी मंत्रीगण, हमारे कृषि मंत्रालय के सचिव संजय अग्रवाल जी, कृषि, रेल और आंध्र प्रदेश सरकार के सभी उपस्थित अधिकारीगण और मीडिया के सज्जनों, आज बहुत ही प्रसन्नता का अवसर है जब अनंतपुर से दूसरी किसान रेल प्रारंभ हो रही है। इस अवसर पर मैं आंध्र प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी और उनके माध्यम से आंध्र प्रदेश के सभी किसान भाइयों और बहनों को हृदय से बहुत बहुत बधाई देता हूँ, बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं देता हूँ। मुझे प्रसन्नता है कि प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी की प्राथमिकता पर गांव गरीब किसान हमेशा से ही रहा है। हमारी खेती की जो अर्थव्यवस्था है,
Thank you, sir. Now is the time for the glorious event. India's second and South India's first Kisan Rail between Anantapur and Delhi is ready to take off on its inaugural run from Anantapur railway station. We can see the live visuals of the train from Anantapur railway station. We request our chief guests, Shri Narendra Singh Tomar ji, Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Rural Development and Panchayat Raj, and Shri Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy sir, Honorable Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh, to flag off the Kisan by showing the green flags. Other dignitaries may please join the flag off event.
छोड़ो ऐसे हो तो फोटो अच्छा आ जाए। होगा आजा राजवीर
कमेटी शुरू बनी थी, सब पूरे लग के रूल निकाले मेरे से।
चल रही है।
वहाँ पे भी भीड़ है। सेल्फी नहीं
इंडिया तो रेल विभाग से ही आई होंगी।
Thank you, sirs. The inaugural Kisan Rail between Anantapur and New Delhi has taken off from Anantapur railway station, fulfilling the hopes and dreams of thousands of farmers. Finally, we request Shri Alok Tiwari ji, DRM Gundakal, to propose vote of thanks.
सभी को मेरा नमस्कार। सर्वप्रथम मैं दक्षिण मध्य रेलवे की ओर से भारत सरकार के माननीय कृषि और किसान कल्याण, ग्रामीण विकास और पंचायत राज मंत्री श्री नरेंद्र सिंह तोमर जी और आंध्र प्रदेश के माननीय मुख्यमंत्री श्री Y.S. जगन मोहन रेड्डी जी के प्रति हार्दिक आभार व्यक्त करता हूं, जिन्होंने हमारे निमंत्रण को स्वीकार किया और देश की द्वितीय एवं दक्षिण राज्यों की प्रथम किसान रेल को अनंतपुर से आदर्श नगर रेलवे स्टेशन नई दिल्ली के लिए हरी झंडी दिखाकर रवाना किया, जिससे हजारों किसानों को लाभ मिलेगा। भारत सरकार के माननीय रेल राज्य मंत्री श्री सुरेश अंगड़ी जी के प्रति हार्दिक आभार प्रकट करते हैं। आपकी गर्माई उपस्थिति हमारे लिए सदैव प्रेरणादायक है। कार्यक्रम की अध्यक्षता कर हमें गौरवान्वित करने के लिए खुद आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। Our deepest gratitude to Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, Shri Parshottam Rupala ji, Honorable Minister of State for Agriculture and Farmers Welfare, Government of India, Shri Kailash Chaudhary ji, and Honorable Minister of Agriculture and Cooperation, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri Kursala Kanna Babu ji, for attending the virtual program and grace the occasion. On behalf of South Central Railway, we also express our warm thanks to Honorable Minister of Municipal Administration and Urban Development and Anantapur District in charge, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri B. Satyanarayan ji, Honorable Minister for Roads and Buildings, Government of Andhra Pradesh, Shri M. Shankar Narayan ji, Honorable Member of Parliament, Anantapur, Shri T. Rangaya ji, Honorable Member of Legislative Council, Shri Gopal Reddy, and Honorable Member of Legislative Assembly, Anantapur, Shri Venkatrami Reddy ji, for attending the program by digital medium and honoring us. I would like to express my deepest appreciation for overwhelming response from Farmers Association, State Government Administration in making Kisan Rail a successful initiative. Many thanks to representative of press, electronic and digital media who covered the program. My special thanks to District Magistrate and Collector Shri G. Chandrudi Ji and his team, Office Bearers of Trade Union, railway officials and all others who directly or indirectly contributed and supported us in making this program a grand success. Dhanyavad. Jai Hind.
बहुत
Thank you,
धन्यवाद
sir.
साहब सभी को।
With
बहुत
this, we
धन्यवाद,
come.
बधाई आपको।
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
With this, we come to the end of the event. We thank one and all for your valuable presence. Thank you.